Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
Nag-impake na si Dwayne.
My dad stole the...
It's okay, Ko. If you hear the click, it's locked already. Binabacuum niya yung mga ano namin. Wala yung mga yung mga nag-clean. Hinejok na lang niya yung vacuum nila.
Hey, Dad! Why did you borrow that?
He didn't even borrow. He just take it.
This is the place left.
The one with the luggage also, then you can squeeze it.
Good afternoon. It's already, I think, 1:30.
Everybody,
So,
read
as
this
usual, the last day.
sign. Please make this room made up.
Okay.
So, what does that mean? That means clean up.
So, we had our breakfast. Then, I started to do all the packing. So, now the room is neater. So, after packing, lunch. Now, we will wait for a while more. Then, check out of the hotel at 3 o'clock. Hi there, wife.
글쎄, 혼자 두고 가서 미안하다고 사과하러 왔어? 사과할
Yeah, I'm
타이밍이
recording.
있네.
그건 아니긴 한데.
So, this is the condition of the
Really,
room.
Ezra?
Seriously, Ezra, off all the lights. So, 2 box, 2 luggage, 1 bag, and I'm thinking of buying 1 more luggage actually.
I think yung dong there have the
So let me do a quick run to find 1 more. I think small one can already, the box that size can already, right?
might as well buy the big one lah.
Okay.
Next time we need the big one and the small one, so many small one. Okay, so we are ready. Nakuha na namin yung mga gamit. So, we end up buying 1 more luggage, the pink one. Ito, nabili namin kasama nung mga pagkain kasi yung mga snack na gustong-gusto ni Ezra,
Hey guys.
binibenta nila tong luggage na yan. So, pinabili ko na kay Dwayne kasi baka mag-crash, mapisa-pisa. So, let's go.
Say carpe diem. Say,
Come on.
okay, say carpe diem, guys.
Come on.
In a different way.
Naantok ako actually. Sana makatulog kami sa airplane. Dahil excited na naman si Ezra and for sure, dami na naman yung gustong gawin. Tig-isa kami ng luggage.
Just tell me. Let go.
Zion, you can pull one of the luggage.
Okay.
I don't want to lie back.
Okay, paalis na kami. So this is the hotel. Malapit sa hotel pala.
Goodbye, Pacific Hotel. We will miss you.
Take off your bag first.
When should I get Dad?
So,
This is a big taxi.
Mom, I got a deal. Eat snack, watch at the motel.
ayan.
Oh my gosh.
What happened ko?
I just want to have...
Mom, my jacket is fixed.
Yeah. And so,
Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Mom.
welcome.
Thanks, brother.
Welcome, Ezra.
Very big, very nice on the door.
Thanks, Auntie Bria.
This one go for long trip.
Oh, wait. Auntie Bria's not here. Devin, I have to wait.
You still need
Oh.
the hook. Touch
Yep.
the screen
So-
on the Airstar.
He is checking out the airport
Please
robot.
select to load.
And there is Zion with his puffy puff.
Let's take out our intake first.
Feeling warm already. Yeah, the wifey, she has heat tech, she has shirt here, so that one.
Heat tech inside.
Yeah, whereas me, I'm just a t-shirt.
They also they're perspiring.
We can go to the corner.
And change that.
Let's go find the restroom. I think find restroom.
Ezra, can you search where is the restroom? No, restroom. Back. Yes, and then restroom.
Select the place you want to go on the map. Touch the start button or say Airstar.
Nearby by
Please
counter
start to
E.
me if you want to have a service.
Get direction.
Get direction.
I'll start the guidance
Okay,
now.
follow.
You can follow me.
Hey,
I will stop guiding you if you move too far away from me. We are near the destination.
He's teaching you where?
okay.
Are you following me? Service with
Here's our service.
Ezra is very happy.
You cannot do this.
Be careful. Follow me carefully.
Oh, the whole world has been blocked.
So cute.
Be careful.
Wait, go.
Follow me carefully. Be careful. Follow me carefully.
Yeah.
Okay, hello. Dito na kami sa sa airport and we're having some eat first then drink. Having some snack kasi sobrang aga namin.
The viewers don't want to see a white thing.
Ay, ay!
Okay, so we are on the plane. Hi there, Ezra. Hi there, mommy.
What is it, Zion?
Honey, hop on time, man.
Okay, so
What's a video monitor? What's a video monitor?
Alright, so we are landing in Singapore, so another like 15 minutes. Trying to get this boy to wake up. And little restaurant. He's going to teleport again, right? Angry teleport. Yep, the usual. Come on. Come on, Taki.
Happy?
Okay, so let's prepare for landing.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye. Bye.